Alright, we got here Tito running from the biggest dog in the neighborhood. Here we can't see him. Look at him. Maybe you can't see him from the camera. It's a Chihuahua. Oh, sick him, boy. Look at him. We thought it was a German Shepherd. It's a Chihuahua. Oh my God. What's up, boy? We got Tito running from a Chihuahua. We thought it was a German Shepherd. No. Say hi. See? Where's the man? Tito! Look, oh my God, he's running after me. He's running after me. Come and get me. Where is he? Look at him. Oh my God. Tito, we can put in that MySpace. Tito running from a Chihuahua. Here's Tito. Say, look at him. He's pale. Oh my. Are they good? I don't know. She couldn't find them.